There's fun in learning around the bend. You could even do it with your best friend. If there's science stuff that you like to know, come watch Allie and CoCo Science Show.
Hello guys, and welcome to another episode of Allie and CoCo Science Show. That was so good. So guys, today's video is a bit different. I don't have any new science information to share with you guys or tips on going green. However, I do have a surprise that I've been kind of working on and filming. Oh, maybe it's a crazy idea, I don't know. I have a very special surprise for you guys to celebrate the holiday season. It's going to be 25 videos from December 1st through December 25th, and it's called, drum roll please, no, okay, it's called A Very Coco Christmas. Yeah, that is you. Guys, I want you to hang out with us starting December 1st. For 25 days, we'll be giving you cool science information about plants we see at Christmas time or cool Christmas traditions and where they came from. So a little bit of history, a little bit of science, and a little bit of going green. So we want you guys to come here, celebrate with us starting December 1st. And hopefully we have some things that are interesting for you guys. So while you're here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you have not already, and hit that little notification bell. That means every time I put a video out during the 25 days of A Very Coco Christmas and beyond, you guys will be notified of when we put a video out. Go ahead and hit that like button, and if you guys are excited, if you're excited about A Very Coco Christmas and learning about Christmas traditions and cool recipes and DIYs and going green. So I am very excited for this project. I know it's a lot to handle, and I'm going to be trying my hardest to make it as top-notch as can be, with just me and CoCo here. So thank you so much for checking this video out, and go ahead, comment down below and let me know if you're excited about A Very Coco Christmas. I will see you guys December 1st.